How to fix the TikTok block feature not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get blocking working properly again in just a few steps. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for TikTok and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen TikTok and try blocking the person again. Let me show you how. At this point, find the person you want to block and tap on their profile to open it. From there, tap on the arrow at the top right and tap on Block. At this stage, tap on Block again to confirm and check if it goes through this time. From here, if the block feature is still not working, open the Play Store. Search for TikTok at the top. Tap on Update if one is available and wait for it to finish. Once updated, reopen TikTok and try blocking again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the TikTok block feature not working, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon.